Hey guys! Today, May 28, 2026 is our first day in Cebu. So, papunta kami ngayon sa aming accommodation para sa aming pag-early check-in. So, ito pala yung asawa ko na medyo pagod na kasi nga medyo mahaba yung biyahe namin going to Cebu. So guys, for our city tour here in Cebu, nag-rent pala kami ng sasakyan sa S&A Cebu Car Rentals and Staycation. You can message them for reservation. Our first stop is Puso Village. So located siya sa Quezon Boulevard, Central Santo Niño, Cebu City. Kung wala kayong sasakyan, pwede kayong mag-grab or mag-taxi going to Puso Village. By the way guys, pagpasok pa lang namin dito sa Puso Village, I was really amazed kasi nga ang daming tinda at iba-iba siya. So marami kang pagpipilian. Hindi ka daw totoong nakapunta sa Cebu if you didn't try their Tuslobua. So for our first Tuslobua experience together ng aking asawa, so we ordered here sa Loy's Tuslobua. And excited na yan siya. And also guys, nagpa-assist pala kami kasi nga hindi kami marunong magluto ng Tuslobua. Ang Tuslobua pala guys is a famous street food here in Cebu City. Nag-order din pala kami guys ng seafood mix in Cajun sauce worth 150 pesos. And actually sulit siya kasi it's good for sharing na. For our drinks, dito kami nag-order sa GoGo Milk Tea. So na-order namin is large na milk tea and it's worth 95 pesos each. This is us enjoying our lunch together here at Puso Village, Cebu City. Before going back to our Airbnb, pumunta muna kami sa Robinson's Puente to buy some stuff. And by the way guys, malapit lang yung Puente Osmeña Circle sa Airbnb na tinitirahan namin ngayon. Hindi na pala ako nakapag-video guys inside Robinson's Puente kasi nagmamadali kaming makauwi sa accommodation namin kasi medyo pagod na din because of our long trip going here in Cebu City. So, samahan nyo kami sa susunod pa naming trip. Bye!